Good evening and welcome to the session number 23 from the chapter of oscillations. The topic is the velocity time graph of a particle which is executing simple harmonic motion. So, in this question we have been given one graph, that is the velocity time graph, and with the help of this graph we have to find the frequency of oscillation of a particle which is executing simple harmonic motion. So, here in this graph, the graph is something like this. So here this point is, let us say this point is A, and this is at the time 0.01 second. Then we have got one more point, let us say this is the point B. So this point is at time 0.03 seconds. So this point, say C, this will be at time 0.05 second. So let us consider that this is the y-axis and this is the x-axis. So on the x-axis we have the time in seconds, and on the y-axis we have got the velocity in meter per second. Now the frequency of oscillation f, this is equal to 1 upon t, where t is the time period and time period is the time taken to complete one oscillation. So here the one oscillation is if I take the point A, then one oscillation is getting completed at the point C. So the total time taken to complete one oscillation, which is equal to the time period, this will be equal to 0.05 minus 0.01 second. So this will be equal to 0.04 second. So the time period of oscillation of this particle which is executing simple harmonic motion, this is equal to 0.04 second. The frequency of oscillation is equal to 1 by t. So this is equal to 1 divided by 0.04, and so this is equal to 100 upon 4, and so this is equal to 25 cycles per second, which is equal to 25 Hertz. So the frequency of oscillation of this particle executing simple harmonic motion is equal to 25 cycles per second or 25 Hertz. So in the next session we will be continuing with the same topic of simple harmonic motion, but the question will be slightly different from what we have done today. So till then, have a nice day. Bye.